teachers na binigyan po tayo ng isang quality na practicum. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga cooperative teachers. Tapos gusto ko rin po i-dedicate yung kanta na ito sa aking fellow OJT na very mabait at saka mamimiss ko po sila. Tapos ko ng 8 ng OJT ko bukas. Bukas na kasi last day ko. Last day ko na po bukas. So,
last day na OJT ko.
Apa. Sayang, wala si Sir Lucky. Gusto ko sana manood siya. Mismong supervisor ko sa akin.
Video na lang.
Okay. Sige, last dedication kasi a few weeks ago, nung pinapractice ko ito, narinig ko yung isang fellow OJT member ko, kinakanta niya ito habang nagpa-practice ako. So, special mention kay Pia, kay Sophia. Teacher JB, saan po si Sir Lucky? Gusto kasi mapanood niya.
Ano kasi quality na kanta mama?
Last day ko nang bubukas.
Last day mo na?
Okay, so...
Akala ko last day kasi sa action.
Hindi po. Hindi na po ako babalik minsan.
Dahil dyan 10 kanta.
Ay! Okay, so, ayun.
Uy!
Uno o zero? Dito po. Pia.
Sayang naman yung high heels.
Pero bago ang lahat, everyone, may announcement. Meron na kasing result yung ating Christmas. Ano ka natin? Surprise? Ano yung surprise? Happy birthday. Surprise ang title? Alam na ng lahat ba? ABC, no? Ha? Parang samsang. Malakpakan naman natin.
Once again po. Okay, once again po, dedicated sa ating teachers, sa ating fellow OJT members.
Lang?
Yun nga, fellow OJT ko si Pia.
Wala na galit ni Ma'am Glitzy.
Ready na? You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you, definitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my feeling strong. You'll never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. I ain't gonna cry anymore, but I'm begging to stay. If you're determined to leave, girl, I will not stand in your way. But inevitably, you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in your heart, babe, our love will never end. No, you'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you, definitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darkness, you'll always be baby. Tiredness, I'm feeling strong. No, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darkness, you'll always be baby. I know that you'll be back.
Sped po talaga. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, you'll always be baby.